How to change the color of a single menu item in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, you will need to just go to your online store from Shopify admin and click on view your online store. I mean, you are going to skip this step if you're using Horizon theme, but this is just going to be if you are using a different theme. So just go ahead and click on view your online store. From here, all you need to do is just go ahead and select any item here from your menu, right click on it and click on inspect. And this is going to be the class name that we need, which is, for me, this one right here. You should be able to find class equals and then the name. So this is going to be important for later. So this is going to be number one. And second thing that we need to actually do is click on the menu item that we want to change the color of. For example, in my case, I'm just going to use catalog as an example. And we can see here the path for it, which is /collections/all. Now this is going to be something that we also need. So in order to specify the menu item, we need the path for it. So for contact, it's going to be /pages/contact, as you can see. So in my case, I'm just going to go for catalog and continue using this one. Next up, just go back to your Shopify admin, click on edit theme. And you simply just want to click on the settings icon from the top left corner and scroll down until you find custom CSS, which should be at the bottom. Now you simply just want to go down to the description, copy the code that you're going to be able to find there and paste it right over here. Now again, if you're using Horizon theme, the only thing for you that you will need to actually change is going to be basically the path of the menu item. So we said, in my case, catalog is /collections/all. So I'm just going to change this to be all, like so. And this is just going to change the color here for us to become red. Now, why is it red? It's because this right here is red. So you can just feel free to change this to any color that you want using hex code. So the other thing is, if you're using a different theme, I told you to do the inspect thing and get the other name. So if this doesn't work for you, you simply just want to replace this right here with the name that you got within the class, which again, just as a refresher, you right click on any menu item, click on inspect, and you should be able to find it right here. Just double click on this name, copy it and replace it with this one, and you should be pretty much good to go. So with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.